Hey y'all, this is Southern Honey, and today we're going to be doing the Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, New You workout. Now remember, all my workouts are designed to help you get that bikini body or yoga 2 scoops bottom. Now let me explain to you what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be doing 7 different exercises. For beginners, please do this whole complete exercise 1 time, and as you get better, 2 times, and for more advanced, 3 to 4 times. Now, the 7 exercises we're going to be doing are: number 1, giblet gravy drops; 2, stuffing squats; 3, turkey chest breast push-up with weights; 4, turkey tummy tucks in and out. We're going to be using each leg. As we use each leg, that's considered 1. 5, cranberry cardio ice skaters with punches. 6 and 7 are our desserts. We always got to end a meal with desserts. Number 6, banana pudding, back flies with weights, and 7, lemon meringue pie lunges. Now we're going to be doing each one of these exercises 10 times. So let's get started. The first exercise is giblet gravy drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The second exercise is stuffing squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 3, turkey chest breast push-ups with 5 pounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Number 4, turkey tummy tucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, number 5, cranberry cardio ice skaters with punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, number 6, our banana pudding back flies. Kick one leg back for balance and support a lower back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And our last dessert, lemon meringue pie lunges. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That complete our Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, New You workout. Now I want you all to take this challenge and start today. It don't matter what day you start, just start today up through Valentine's Day. Good luck and thank you. Bye y'all. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel so that each week you can get good eating tips and great quick and easy workouts you can do at home or outside so that together we can do this. And again, thank you. Bye y'all.